I am say about difference between Manipur and Delhi. Manipur is completely different for the people of Delhi. A lot of love and respect is found inside the people here. These people try diligently to connect with other Indians. Their feeling make us think that these people really feel or all pretending like this. We have forgotten to trust others by staying in Delhi. The people of Delhi have lost faith in everyone. We are also apprehensive about true feeling. We have been so deceived in life and that we look at everyone with suspicion. Our host house was so big that 10 cars could be parked comfortably in it. The boundary wall of his house was so small that any thieves could enter in. There were no lessons on the window. Anyone could easily enter through an open window. People wear a lot of gold. Even small children wear jewelry like Kanhaiya. Do not understand seeing this. Fear is more in Delhi or in Manipur. A pond is also built in their homes equal to the place of daily houses in which these water creatures live. There is also greenery in a place equal to 1.5 yards in their houses, in which many kinds of trees are planted. It rains a lot here. I have seen more rain here. I liked it very much. But according to the people here is very less. Due to this, the crop cannot be sown in every part of India. Rain is causing much trouble. Where deficiency here is causing trouble. The pupil population here is only 60,000. Road appear empty as soon as they come out of Imphal. Green areas are seen spread far and wide. This is the time of sowing paddy. It is hurting to see people working in water standing up to their knees. All the fields are visible in almost equal length and width. Zoom farming is visible even on the mountains here. Through these paths, we want to see the waterfall here. This name is Sadu Chiru. We had to climb very high from the place where our vehicle stopped. On this bed, we started feeling full. We had to stop and breathe in the middle. While group of a lot of children were going to have fun. It was ravishing to see them. I wish we too very young like them. On reaching the top, I was overwhelmed. There was too much water in the waterfall. The water splash was shocking us even while standing far away. There was a bridge far away from the waterfall. We were thinking of standing on it and enjoying. There was a wet place to sit there, so we were just having fun. We were getting wet with the water. Because of the wet clothes, we thought about having fun with the water completely. We also started getting wet in the water. Now we enjoyed the water wells. Children were standing and taking a bath under the waterfall. But the water edge was so thick, it was as if someone was sitting with the thick raft, who were enjoying the bottom of the right ease. Their body was absolutely red, wanting to appreciate their courage. Their passion and madness was worth seeing. In Imphal, it is very early at night. Our partner started insisting on walking. Then we did not feel like getting up at all. We did not know when we had forgotten our age while staggering in the water. Now we were getting cold due to the wetness. Around the waterfall, there was no special arrangement from the nearby government. The path was not even right. It was difficult to walk on such paths when it was dark, so we started walking back with impunity. It was even harder to get on these paths than to climb. The stairs had become wet due to the landing of the socked pupil. In many places, falling survived. Many shops were open below. Their people were eating things of their choice. We would not understood whether there was any item worth us because we used to think many times due to being vegetarian. According to the people there, they did not understand how vegetarian people live a life. They consider fish as vegetarian. Apart from cooking the fish, they used to dry the fish and steal it and mix it in any food alive in the market there. That fish used to get all kinds of fish. That why we used to take homemade food. It was night coming back home. But the journey here will always be alive in our thought.